Receiver gives it to Gabion, to Salamat, guarded by Mike Bernabé. Man to man to Francisco, to Hate. Hate from Rainbow fires, misses. Here's Bandini running, Gatus hesitates. Cross from the Bernabé. Don Henria makes fires for good. Ball goes to the hands of Hate to Salamat. Taking it easy, gives it to Francisco, number 47. Top by Gatus. Out of bounds. 15-second shot clock. Side-court throw in for Francisco to Salamat, guarded tightly by Bernabé. To Hate, 10 to shoot. Hate, guarded by Andrea. 4 to shoot. Draws a foul. Foul number 1, pushing foul. Pushing foul on Andrea. 5 fouls, foul out. First team foul for Bandi. 2 shots for number 9, Hate. In and out on his first attempt. Last throw for number 9, Hate. It is just a 5-point lead for Pangkat Balagtas. Misses his 2 free throws. However, it's a turnover for Bandi, so it's Pangkat Balagtas basketball. Baseline throwing, Ramos. 13 to shoot, 13. Gabion. Francisco, guarded tightly by Gatus. Gets a pick from Gabion. But losing the ball, Gatus. That's a dribbling violation. Double dribble for number 10, Gatus. Saya ang opportunity. Hindi nakita si Bernabé. Salamat driving, easy doesn't layup for the tiniest man on the floor. Maraming salamat for that 2-pointer. Gatus to Bernabé. Bernabé. At the corner, Gatus. Set to shoot to Peñalba from Rainbow. Short. Hate throws it to Salamat. Running pass. And Francisco able to get that wraparound pass. Gatus for Rainbow. Short. Francisco has the ball this time. Guarded by Gatus. Force finish to, but draws a foul. Foul on for AK-47, Francisco. Masyado yata malayo siya. Last throw for Francisco. A split for AK-47, Francisco. Gatus Tornesias from Rainbow fires short. Francisco to Ramos. Guarded by 2 green shirts. To De Leon. De Leon, taking it easy. Guarded by Gatus tightly. Escaping the Cedillo. Almost losing the ball. 10 to shoot. Andres Ramos. Missing. Gatus has it. Guarded by De Leon. Underneath Messias all around. De Leon to Francisco. Escaping Messias. Turns around, but Messias stopped it. Gatus gives it to Bendas. Back to Gatus. Given good play for the green shirts. It is just a 4-point lead. Balagtas, Mateus Francisco from the corner. Misses. Ball goes to the hands of Bernas. Tugatos back to Bernas for two. Sana, Marcas Balagtas. And Bernas and Messias connection for those last two plays. Hate draws a foul for Bandi. 2 shots for number 9, Hate. Makes his first. Number 2 for Hate. Hanggang ngayon, husay pa rin si Hate. Bernas, to Messias, to Gatus, get to shoot, Eximilio, 1-2. For number 11, Eximilio. Salamat to Ramos. Crossing the center guard, gives it back to Salamat to Ramos. Ramos. Taking it easy, looking for Hate, but also foul. Foul on number 11. Third personal foul on Casilillo. Warning for penalty, but the 40-second shot clock, 14. Baseline going for Ramos. No one to pass to looking for receiver. There's Francisco. To Salamat, taken away by Gatus. Ball went out of bounds. Last touch on Salamat. Rodriguez gives it back to Gatus. To Messias from Rainbow. Almost. Vamos for the rebound. Here's Francisco guarded by Gatus. Gives it to one man. Here's Messias. Gives it to Rodriguez. But deflected. Messias. Deflected. Francisco all alone. Missing. That's a shot. And he recovers for an easy 2 for Francisco. 4-point lead for Balagtas. Gatus to number 21, Bernas. Back to Gatus from Messias. Casilillo makes. Then to shoot. Rodriguez for the rebound. Gives it to Bernas. And one for number 21, Bernas. Doesn't count. Foul on number 17, pushing foul. First personal foul on Gabion, first team foul for Balagtas. Bonus free throw for number 21, Bernas. Substitution, Gamboa, 16 for Gabion. Bonus free throw for number 21, Bernas. 3-point play, who win it? 1-point play for Balagtas. Away from the ball. Foul on number 74. Second personal foul on Messias. Penalty. Substitution, Bentame. Checking back in for Messias. 2 shots for number 7, Salamat. Missing his first shot. Last one. Missing both free throws. And then this time has the opportunity to take the lead. Gatus to Eximilio. Fouls again and draws a foul. Blocking foul number 47 That is his first substitution. Manaba checking in for Sanama. Cycle throwing for Pandi. Bernabe inbounding. 15-second shot clock. Bernabe. The Gatos from Rainbow. Number 10, Gatos. Now Pandi takes the lead. 65-63. What an exciting ball game. Ramos, Manaba, guarded by Rodriguez. Here's the main man, Hate. Fight to shoot, asking for a pick. Goes underneath to Manaba. Hate doing everything for Malagtas. Scoring, 2 assists. But here's number 21, deflected. Asimilio losing the ball at the baseline. This is the 6th deadlock of the game at 65 all. Hate doing it all for Balagtas. Bring the ball down, close to the corner. 47, Francisco. Hooray! That is his fourth three-point line. Gatos, then to shoot. Here's Bernabe. Casimiro. Forces for the shield. Ball was deflected. Same ball. 4-second shot clock. 4 seconds. Baseline throwing. Antonio Rodriguez. One to pass to. Gives it to the cutting. Bernas losing it. Goes on the shot. 24-second shot clock violation. Timeout. Pangkat Balagtas. It is just a 3-point lead for Pangkat Balagtas. Next game, Senior North Division, or rather Legends North Division, Pulilan versus San Miguel RPT. We are watching Balagtas versus Pandi, Legends South Division. Hate guarded tightly by Gatos, banging bodies with Gatos drives, losing the ball, 10 to shoot. Ramos drives, drops it to Hate underneath, draws a foul. Foul number 29, hit on the head foul. That is the third foul for Rodriguez. 2 shots for Hate. Warning on the bench for improper bench development. Hate takes his first shot. Last throw for number 9 Hate. Mr. Do It All for Pangkat Balagtas. Solid pa rin sa Hate. 2 for 2 for Hate. Kahawig ni Mayor Lando Salvador ng Baliwan. Naglalaro pa rin ng basketball si Mayor Lando. Bernabe, all alone. Lucky bounce for number 3, Bernabe. Hate bringing the ball down. All positions being played by Hate. Point guard, forward, center. Mr. Do It All. Gives it underneath. Ramos almost trouble for the lever. Bernabe has it. No look pass to Rodriguez. 1-point lead for Balagtas. Gabriel almost losing it. But Manaba recovers. Line ball, says the referee. Turnover. of Balagtas. Bernabe to Gatus. Gatus. Maraming salamat. We are entering the twilight zone. 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes is brought to you by VZ Island Sponsor and Cup. Last basket from number 21, Bernas taking the lead. Pandem now leading by 1 point. Salamat. Grabe tayo pag-Bernas escaping drops into Hake. Drops it foul. Foul on number 29 for personal foul on Rodriguez. Pandey on penalty. 2 shots for number 9 Nahate, Mr. Do-It-All. Alam naman ang mga teammates want to go. And they kept on moving from Hate. This is first. Ang bagay. Hindi napayanig ng mga fans. Last shot for Hate. This is his second for a split. 7th deadlock of the game. 7th deadlock of the game at 71 all. Gatos Gardner tightly by Salaman. Bounce pass to number 21, Rosaval. Foul on number 37. Second personal foul on Ramos. 13 foul for Balagtas. Two shots for number 29, Rodriguez. In and out for Rodriguez on his first try. Last throw for Rodriguez. Next in for the lead. Substitution Messias. Andy, 1 for Balagtas. Salamat, grounded tightly to Ramos, looking for receiver, looking for Hunter. Draws a foul. Holding foul on number 21. 4th personal foul on Bernas. 2 shots for number 9, Hunter. This is his first line. Chance to tie the ball game. Makes it. Pangwalo. 8th deadlock of the game. Bernabe taking it easy to Gatos, number 10, guarded by Salama, back to Bernabe, fixing it from the corner. Sego has won the lead. Last touch for number 20, Manaba. Timeout, Pandey. This is the 4th and final period. 8 deadlock after game. 72 apiece. 72 all. 55.4 seconds remaining. One time on each. 30 second shot clock. 13. Bernas, Domicilas. 10 to shoot. Bernabe to Gatos. So Bernas, Messias all over the rainbow. Balagtas basketball calling the referee. Salama, bring the ball down. A chance to take the lead. Hate almost losing it. Hate. Number 21, Berners, 5 fouls, foul line. And he loses their big man on that last ball. Si Hate parang wala pa 40 gumalaw, no? Talagang hassle sa basketball. Napakasipag. Again, number 9, Hate, Mr. All-Around of Baligtas, playing all positions. Alright, Esperidion checking in for the fall of Bernardes. 2 shots for Hate. This is first. And Baligtas again takes the lead. 7-2 last throw for Mr. Do-It-All. Super 2 for number 9, Hate, unbothered. Indeed, like a block. Esperidion has a 2-point lead. Esperidion, pull-up jumper, ties the ball game.